Hello, I'm Dr. Ruparna. I'm Associate Consultant of Department of Palliative Medicine at Sir Gangaram Hospital. And today I will discuss a very important topic about palliative care. That is myths about palliative care, which are very prevalent in people around us, even amongst doctors. So myth number one is that palliative care is offered to only those patients who are near the end of their lives or when there is no hope for the patient. So this myth stands busted today, that palliative care should begin at the beginning of the disease when the diagnosis is made. Palliative care is about giving hope at each step of the disease trajectory. We collaborate with other physicians also and physiotherapists to make your patients as comfortable, as functional, as independent they can be. We focus on the nutrition of the patient. We focus on symptom management and making the patient and their family as comfortable as possible. So myth number two is palliative care is same as end of life care. So this myth also stands busted today. Palliative care is an umbrella term and it includes end of life care. End of life care is reserved for patients of their life, and we support patients through the beginning of their journey. Like knowing about a life-limiting illness can be very traumatic for the patient and their family. So we support through communication. We are specially trained to deliver bad news and how to help the patient and their families to deal with such difficult situations. We manage symptoms, physical symptoms, psychological symptoms, emotional and spiritual issues of the patient and their caregivers. So myth number three is that palliative care and morphine hastens death. So this is not true. Palliative care, the main ethos of palliative care is not to hasten or to defer death. We let nature take its own course. However, we want our patients to be as comfortable through difficult times. So we have pain medications that help patients be free of suffering in the last journey of their life. So myth number four is that pain medications are addictive and they can damage our liver and lung and should be avoided. So this is not true. We give medications which are safe and can be taken for long duration of time. In fact, everything that we practice is evidence-based and through standardized guidelines that are followed across the world. Pain medications are important for patients who are suffering with advanced malignancy because the cancer-related pain is very severe. So if pain medications are not taken by the clock, by time, it can affect the quality of life of the patient and the compliance to the treatment can also be affected. So we recommend you take pain medications as we prescribe to you. Myth number five, palliative care is only for cancer patients. That is not true. Palliative care is for patients irrespective of their diagnosis, irrespective of the stage of the disease. Any life-limiting illness that affects your quality of life of you or your patient, then you merit palliative care. Living with dignity and dying with dignity is a basic human right and we all should avail it. Thank you. अगर आपको या आपके मरीज को या anyone in your family or friend circle you feel needs palliative care, please reach out to us. We have Sister Monica with us here and she will guide you that how to reach out to us.
Hello, I am Sister Monica, working as a palliative care coordinator at Sir Gangaram Hospital. If you want to contact us, you can any day between 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. We all are there, and we have our general OPDs every Monday and Thursday between 10 to 11. So you can contact us. So we also offer home-based palliative care. We have our helpline number. You can contact us on our helpline number, that is 9650 77710, and we all are there to help you out. Thank you.